Hey everyone, this is Ben the Bar Guy from Hereinafter Cocktail Tavern, and on Mondays we do Martini Mondays, and we do martinis as God intended, which is very important to learn about. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do a gin martini with vermouth. We start off with a little liquid nitrogen in the glass, just to get it cold. We're gonna take some ice cubes, we're gonna crack some rocks that are really cold and large, because the inside of these rocks are extremely cold, and we want to get as much of that cold into the drink that we can. So by cracking ice cubes, the center of a cube is a lot colder than the outside of the cube. And then here's another little trick. When this starts hissing at you, you need to get it out. There you can see, now we got a really cold glass, right? What's the recipe for a very good martini? The recipe for a great martini starts with gin, 2 ounces. We're gonna do 2 ounces. The original gin martini always had a lot of vermouth, okay? Vermouth and gin go together like cats and cats, or dogs and dogs. Vodka and vermouth go together like cats and dogs, so they don't taste very good. That's why in the latest eras of making gin martinis, we have decided to get rid of a lot of the vermouth, which has dried out the martini. Okay, but if you're making a gin martini, you want to go 2 to 1. The ounce of vermouth, as long as you have the right vermouth to go with the gin you have, you're going to be happy that way. All right, now you have 2 choices for garnish. As we stir this drink, you want to stir it as fast as you can, but we have 2 options for garnish. You got lemon, a lemon peel, or you can do olives. Today we're going to do a lemon peel. I'm going to peel lemon just like this. So see the bottom of that? It's got some little circles. Okay, those little circles mean you just got enough thickness. You don't want to go too much thicker than that. And you want to get this cocktail cold. You can use the back of your finger, kind of feel it out. You want to make sure you have about an ounce, ounce and a quarter of water in there. And you might ask, how do I know I have an ounce and a quarter of water? Well, you can look at the wash line on your stirring glass. You also can taste, and when the drink tastes right, you know you're there. We're getting very close. We got to get it a little colder, just a little colder. It's balanced. And then the other thing you can do is just use the back of your finger, kind of feel how cold it's getting. Because we're using really cold ice, I mean, this should get down to like 0 degrees Celsius or under freezing. Put your spoon behind your julep strainer. Get our glass. We're gonna strain it right into the glass. You wanna go low and slow, okay? You do not wanna do this thing that a lot of bartenders do, and when they got liquid still in the glass, all right, they wanna be pretty, and they want to go up here. All that does is put air bubbles in your stirred drink. That's for shaken drinks. You don't want to do that in stirred drinks. No bubbles, nice and smooth, like Lake Placid, nice and even. Yep, and you can see from the glimmer off that top of the martini, you can see it. It's got the right amount of water. And you squeeze the peel, you squeeze it towards the drink, get it right on there, and now you got an amazing martini. And these are absolutely discounted every single Monday at Hereinafter Cocktail Tavern in Buckeye Lake. You're fleecing the owner. Guess who that is? That's me. Fleece the owner. Come in here, get your martini, quit being ridiculous, and have a great time on Mondays. This has been the Bar Guy. Have a great night.